Okay friends, I'm gonna show you how to use the sound effect on Korg pa1000, 700, even pa-X4. Let's take one rhythm. I'm gonna take this one. Now we have these instruments. I'm gonna use this one. Ney has echo. It's good. Oud. It's no good. I want to add echo. So what are we gonna do? We open all of it and we go to menu. We go to mixer. First we're gonna go here. Send. We can mute these two. This is the ney. You see the value? 80 and 80. It's good. I want to make oud more live. Let's make it like this. Do you see the difference? Now we're gonna go to saz. Same thing. B, when it's B, that means has an echo. So if you want to save it, whatever, you're gonna go to the menu. I never saved because I do record as an MP3. Now we're gonna go here. Let's go with this instrument, with the oud. You gotta press the X. You see? Let's put it on. We're gonna press the X. Now select. Let's see the difference. With delay. Dynamic delay. So if you want, save it, you do this one, copy effect paste. I don't do that. Let's put it back to that's first part, and then you go exit. So now you can use instruments. You want to use the second one. You want to use the third one. Like I said, if you change here, if you didn't save, this one is gonna go back to normal. Watch. Right now. Watch, you see? It's gone. So let's go to the second part. If you record, say I record, I'm gonna use this one. I go here. I go here. I go here. So let's record something. Stop it. Let's go to back. What I'm gonna do is I can go to same thing, and you can fix it, whatever you want to do. You see the numbers? This is for the echo. This one too, like example. You can change anytime, anything. That's what I can do for you.